have a dream. It's part 2. Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. In last class we discussed our chapter reading portion. Now today we discuss word meanings and question answers. So first of all, write down word meanings. Word meanings I write on board because those who don't have book, they suffer problem. That's why you all write down from board. Clear? So write down first score. A group of 20 things. Score is a group of 20 things. Symbolic, it's serving as a symbol. Serving is a symbol of what is being represented. What is being represented. Next is Emancipation Proclamation. Emancipation Proclamation. It's edict issued by US President. Edict issued by US President Abraham Lincoln. US President Abraham Lincoln that freed the slaves of the Confederacy. Next is decree. An official decree, an official order issued by a legal authority. An official issued by a legal authority. Next is seared. Burnt or scorched with intense heat. Next is withering. Withering is deteriorating and humiliating. Next is crippled. Crippled is severely damaged. Manacles. Manacles is handcuffs. Next is discrimination. The unjust treatment of different categories of people. Languish is what? To fail to make progress. Or be successful. Next is appalling. Next is what? Appalling. It's awful. Appalling is what? It's awful. Appalling is what? It's awful. Awful. Next is architect. Architect, one who is responsible for planning or creating an idea promissory, conveying a promise, promissory, it's conveying a promise, promissory is conveying a promise. Pursuit is quest. Pursuit is what? Quest. Now 14th, defaulted, failed to fulfill an obligation. Scared is highly valued and important. Obligation, responsibility. Obligation is what? It's responsibility. Bankrupt, impoverished. Bankrupt is what? Impoverished. Bankrupt is impoverished. Wait. Bankrupt is what? Impoverished. Next is tranquilizing, having a calming effect. Next is desolate. Desolate is what? Lonely. Desolate is what? Lonely. Desolate is what? Lonely. Tranquility, the state of being calm. Whirlwinds means used as a metaphor here to describe a very tumultuous process. Next is creed. Creed is what? Faith or religious belief. Faith or religious belief. And last one is our Hamlet. Hamlet means a very small settlement. A very small settlement. A very small settlement. Now next heading, write down orally question answers. That is question number A. Answers orally. It's question number 1. Orally question answers. Question number 1. Where was this famous? Where was this famous? Where was this famous speech given? Where was this famous speech given? This famous speech was given. This famous speech was given. This famous speech was given. This famous speech was given in Georgia. In Georgia, in the United States, in the United States of America. States of America. Question 2 is, what is referred to as a, what is referred to as a great beacon, light of hope, beacon light of hope. Answer 2 is the Emancipation Proclamation. The Emancipation Proclamation is referred to as a great beacon light of hope. Beacon light of hope. Next question number 3 is, why did the speaker feel that America, why did the speaker feel that America had defaulted, on the promissory note. Give any 2 points. Give any 2 points. Give any 2 points. The promissory note was the Emancipation Proclamation, which gave a promise of the rights of life, liberty and citizenship, Dr. King says that America had defaulted on it because the people and the government had not given what had been assured to the citizens of colors in America. They had not been given freedom or justice. Clear? So, what is the answer? The promissory was the Emancipation Proclamation, which gave a promise of the rights of life, liberty and citizenship. Okay? Dr. King says that America had defaulted on it because the people and the government had not given what had been assured to the citizens of colors in America, and they had been given freedom or justice. Clear? So, here our orally questions completed. Thank you. In next class we discuss answer the following questions.